We all know cardboard and paper is made out of trees, but what a lot of people don't realise, it's actually a fungal food for the soil. That's beneficial fungi. And the worms, they just love these corrugations. The air in these corrugations help the decomposition happen as well, because there's air tunnels, and they become little worm highways kind of thing through this mulch. And it covers the soil, holding the moisture and stopping weeds germinating. But you're not just cutting out the light, you're soaking water, you're holding moisture, and you can add fertilizer. So this is worm juice from the worm farm. And if we add that into the liquid, if you've got it, or any organic liquid fertilizer, you can soak your cardboard with slow release fertilizer then. It's slowly released into the soil. So that gives you an even better system to give you instant garden, a bit of quick fertilization.